Understanding engine knocking, an essential guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, engine knocking. This term is often used in automotive contexts, but it can be quite confusing for English learners. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Engine knocking is a term used in the automotive world. It refers to a specific kind of sound that an engine can make, usually indicating a problem. This sound is a sort of rattling, knocking, or pinging noise that comes from the engine. It's important to understand that this phrase is used literally. It describes the actual sound that the engine makes. There are several reasons why an engine might knock. The most common cause is improper combustion of fuel within the engine cylinders. This can happen if the fuel quality is poor, or if there's a problem with the engine's timing or temperature. It's a sign that your car needs attention from a mechanic. While engine knocking is a technical term, it can be used in everyday English to describe situations where something isn't working properly. For example, you might say, "There's a bit of engine knocking in our project plan," to mean that there are some issues in the plan that need addressing. The term is literal. It describes the sound of the engine. It's a technical term but can be used metaphorically. Indicates a problem or issue, whether in a car or metaphorically in other contexts. I hope this explanation clears up any confusion about the phrase, engine knocking. It's a useful term, both in understanding car mechanics and in describing problems in other areas of life. Thanks for watching, and happy learning! Remember, understanding these phrases can really turbocharge your English skills.